Welcome to the magical world where flour turns into dreams and machines create masterpieces. This isn't just a cake factory. It's a place where sweetness meets cutting-edge technology. Have you ever wondered how those beautifully layered frosted cakes from your favorite bakery are made on such a massive scale? Today, we're going behind the scenes to witness the entire journey, from raw ingredients to delicious finished cakes. Before any baking begins, hygiene takes center stage. Every worker suits up in protective gear, gloves, masks, and head covers. Hands are thoroughly scrubbed and sanitized. In a place where food safety is non-negotiable, cleanliness isn't just routine, it's sacred. The first step? Ingredient selection and mixing. Every element from flour to fresh eggs, sugar to rich butter is carefully measured by automated dispensers. These premium ingredients are poured into giant industrial mixers where they're blended into a smooth, lump-free batter. The result? A creamy, fragrant mixture that smells like vanilla dreams. Next, this perfect batter flows into metal molds, riding down a conveyor belt. Workers give each mold a gentle tap on the table to remove any trapped air bubbles. This ensures the cakes bake evenly without holes. Then it's off to smart ovens where temperature is maintained with high precision. Within minutes, the batter transforms into fluffy, golden sponges that fill the air with irresistible aroma. As the cakes cool, they move to the slicing station. High-speed machines cut each cake into perfectly even layers. Now the real artistry begins. Layers are filled with rich creams, fruity jams, or silky custards. Think strawberry puree, dark chocolate ganache. It's a blend of flavor and texture that elevates every bite. The real showstopper, though, is the decoration. Robotic arms, working with laser-like accuracy, begin to frost the cakes. With graceful motions, they spread vanilla icing or pour on melted chocolate, followed by sprinkles, patterns, or colorful designs. Despite being automated, the results look just like they were made by a master baker. From round and square to heart-shaped or animal-themed cakes, every design is handled flawlessly. For that special touch, cakes can also be personalized. Machines write custom messages using edible ink, piping out greetings like "Happy Birthday" or "Best Wishes" with perfect penmanship. Each cake feels uniquely made for the recipient.